hibernating all winter long, eating your favorite comfort foods? Well, just like you spring clean your house, you should also think about spring cleaning your body by eating foods that are in season. Eating whole, natural foods in accordance with the change in seasons will ensure that your body is getting the right nutrients that it needs throughout the year. So today we're going to be making a spring detox salad. So you might be thinking, why detox? Well, contrary to popular belief, detoxing is not all about celebrity-endorsed teas and juices. There's a lot more that goes into it. Detoxification is really something that you should think about doing on a daily basis by eating the right foods. So there's no need to resort to extreme measures to detoxify your body when we can do that through food. So your kidneys, liver, and skin neutralize and eliminate toxins from your body. However, to keep everything in working order, it's important to give those organs a nudge as often as you possibly can. So first up is broccoli. So broccoli has a really strong positive impact on your body's detoxification system. It has a high amount of protein for a vegetable. It also has high amounts of calcium, magnesium, and boasts high amounts of vitamin A as well. And also, it has more vitamin C than an orange. So what I'm gonna do is, because I want everything to be as nice and small as possible in the salad, I'm gonna go ahead and just add it to my little blender that I have here, and I'm gonna pulse it a few times just to break it up a little bit. For some added fiber, I'm actually gonna add in some cauliflower to the salad as well. And I'm gonna pulse it a few times just like what I did with the broccoli. My next detox superstar food is red cabbage. So red cabbage is actually a diuretic. So what that means is it helps to usher out fluids from your body, taking along toxins with it. Red cabbage also helps your liver to break down toxins, which is awesome. One of my favorite ways to freshen up a dish is with some fresh cilantro. I just love that smell. I can't get enough of it. So we're gonna add in a little bit of cilantro to this salad as well, just to freshen it up, but cilantro is also an excellent detox food as well. It really helps your body to remove heavy metals, which is great. Some other ingredients I'm gonna add to this salad are 1 cup of carrots and 1 cup of celery. So my third detox veggie is radishes. So radishes, not only do they look so cute, but they also have a nice peppery taste, which adds a lot of punch to dishes. Radishes protect your liver and help you detox, and also have anti-inflammatory properties as well. Radishes also have special compounds that help your body with phase 2 detoxification. So I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle a few of those in. I just cut them really thinly using just a knife, but if you have a mandolin, even better, because it just makes it a lot easier to get a nice, even, thin slice. I did the best that I could with my knife. So my final detox superstar that I want to talk about is lemons. So many people underestimate the power of this little yellow lemon. Lemons have enzymes to clear the digestive tract and also to help to cleanse the liver. Like celery that we also add into this salad, lemons also have a high water content, which again really help to flush those toxins from your body. Foods that are rich in vitamin C, like lemons, also help to form collagen in your skin. And collagen is really what helps your skin to look more youthful and helps to combat aging. Lemons are also super high in calcium and magnesium. So I've already added some lemon juice to a bowl here, and so this is gonna be for our dressing. And the next thing I'm gonna add is some olive oil, so just a few tablespoons, I should say, of olive oil. So next up, I'm gonna add some apple cider vinegar. Super beneficial in helping to detoxify your body, and also was excellent for weight loss. I like a little flavor, so I'm gonna add some garlic to that. And I'm also gonna add some honey as well. So once you have all these ingredients in your bowl, you just wanna go ahead and just whisk them all together. Now that my dressing is complete, I'm just gonna go ahead and just throw it on top of that salad. And then just toss everything together. And there you have it, a beautiful, delicious spring detox salad. Hey, if you enjoyed this video and if you found anything here useful, I encourage you to please go ahead and just click on the little button that you see there to subscribe. And also click on the link in the description below to grab the full recipe and also to get your hands on some freebies that will help you to make healthy eating easier.